Hi student, in today's lecture we discuss the family of 8051 microcontroller. 8051 microcontroller is the second generation's microcontroller. There are the different controllers of the 8051 family. First, 8048, 8049, 8050. 8031, 8032 we discussed in a previous lectures. 8048, 8049 and 8050, 8052, these are all the family of the 8051 microcontroller. There is all these microcontroller are developed by the Intel companies. First, we discuss this point through the some appropriate attributes related to all these the microcontrollers. First, we discuss the architecture of these the microcontroller. All these microcontroller architectures are the superscalar architectures. In a board examination, there will be also asked to give the some specific properties of the 8048, 49 and 50. In that the questions also you can be write the 3 points or the 4 points, that is the architectures. Next, RAM, ROM, cost and use. Architecture of these microcontroller are the superscalar architecture. I study or I teach this point according to the comparison. Okay. First here we can be write architecture. 8048 microcontroller can be developed by the superscalar architecture. 8049 is also developed by the superscalar architecture and 8050 also developed by the superscalar architecture. The superscalar architecture, it is nothing but the architecture of the developing of the microcontroller. It is a superior architecturing of developing the microcontroller or the ICs. Next point is RAM. First is a architecture, second is a RAM. In this the RAM point, RAM it is nothing but the random access memory. In 8048 microcontroller, it is a 64 byte. You must remember the RAM must be measured in a byte. 64 byte RAM built in 8048 microcontroller, whereas the 8049 microcontroller, it is become a double. That is 128 byte RAM can be built in 8049. In 8050, this RAM is become the double according to the 8049. It become a double, that is 256 byte. It is easy to remember that RAM, first RAM is 64, you can be remember, and all these the 64 RAM can be double. In 8049 it is become 128 byte, 8050 it become a 256 byte. Okay, RAM can be used to increase the speed of that the ICs or the microcontroller. Third point is a ROM. What is about the ROM? ROM, it is nothing but the read only memory. This memory can be used to store the permanent data. This ROM can be become the 2 kilobyte or the in 8048 ROM is a 2 kilobyte ROM. Whereas the in 8049 microcontroller, it is also become a double, that is a 4 kilobyte ROM built in integrated circuit 8049. Next, in 8050 it become a 8 kilobyte. All the monitor programs can be stored in a ROM. It is a permanent memory. RAM is a temporary memory. Next one is a third point, cost. Cost of this the microcontroller is low. That is 8048, it is also the low. Next 8049, it is cost is also the low, and 8050's cost is also low. Next one is a use. Where this microcontroller can be used? Same it is, all these microcontroller can be used in a low cost product. Like the children's toys, electrical drill machine, doorbell, micro oven, all these the low cost products can be used these microcontroller. It is easy to build. All these microcontroller having limited amount of input output devices, limited amount of RAM, limited amount of ROM, built in a single integrated circuit. If in a board examination there is a question will be the asked, explain similarity as well as the difference between 8048, 4950. You also can be explain this point according to this the chart, as well as you also explain different separately microcontroller. That is, first you discuss 8048. First point, this it is developed by superscalar architecture. Second, it having the 64 byte RAM. Third, it having 2 kilobyte ROM. Cost is low. It is usually in a low cost product. Second, 8049. Same, you can be display write all these the point step by step, as well as a third. Next, we discuss the difference between 8051 and 8052 microcontroller. All this in this chapter mainly trace is on a 8051 microcontroller. We discussed the main features of the 8051 microcontroller in a previous lecture. After that, the 8051 microcontroller, next version of the Intel companies is 8052 microcontroller. What is the difference between 8051 and 8052? First difference, all these two microcontroller developed by the superscalar architecture. First point, second point is the ROM. What about the ROM? In 8051, we discuss in a features, that is in 8051 microcontroller having 4 kilobyte internal ROM, as well as in 8052 it is a become it as a double, that is a 8 kilobyte internal ROM. Okay, next one, RAM. RAM, it is nothing but the random access memory. In 8051, it is 128 byte of a internal RAM. In 8052, it become a double, that is a 256 byte of internal RAM allocated to the 8052 in this the circuit. Next one is a timer event counter, which is measure the speed or as well as a clock cycle. Clock cycle, it is nothing but how many instructions execute per clock cycle. How many time required to execute instruction in that the ICs. Here 8051 having 16-bit dual timer event counter. Here is also the 16-bit but extra 16-bit allocated as a timer event counter to 8052 microcontroller. Got it? Next point is the cost. Cost of 8051 is less as compared to the 8052. So the cost of 8051 is less, but 8052 cost is high as compared to 8051 microcontroller. Next one, program. How we can be program right in this microcontroller? We can be write the small program in a 8051 microcontroller. But 8052 is the next version of the microcontroller 8051. So we can be write the larger program in 8052 microcontroller. That is the main difference between 8051 and 52. In board examination, there will be the 3-mark question or the 4-mark question can be asked. Give the difference between 8051 and 8052 microcontroller. In that point, you write any 4 points: cost, timer event counter, RAM and ROM. As well as in this point, here also question can be asked how the 8052 can be differ from the 8051. Third type question is, what is a better feature of 8052 as compared to the 8051 microcontroller? Then you can be also write and explain according to this the chart. Here you also write attribute. ROM, RAM, timer, event counter, cost and program. That is the family of 8051 microcontroller. Okay, thank you.